Alright, so today we're going to look at the Ducky Shine 3 Yellow Edition. You guys can see. It's pretty cool. Alright. So, yeah, I mean, it's, I just received it. I put a SpongeBob keycap on it. So you can focus on that. Looks pretty awesome, in my opinion. So, I guess you guys want to hear how it sounds. It has a MX Milky switches on it, so let's give it a run. I mean, the tone kind of changes a little bit between two different keys, between multiple keys, but I don't think it's anything like, I don't know, it's nothing weird for me. Doesn't really bother me. I guess it might bother some people. But I've also noticed with other boards, like I have this Razer Black Widow, and it's sort of not consistent either. It has blue switches, so let's check it out. Alright, so if you guys want, just form your own opinions and let me know what you guys think.